Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to set up a footprint volumetric chart in NinjaTrader. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, so before we start, there are some prerequisites. So you need to have NinjaTrader installed on your PC or laptop, and also AutoFlow Plus feature enabled, which is included with the NinjaTrader lifetime license, and market data feed connected so the chart can load live or historical ticks. Now, once you've got that out the way, we need to go ahead and open up NinjaTrader and create a new chart. So go ahead and click on new. Then from here, click onto chart, and you should have a little box that says data series. Now we want to go ahead and select the instrument. So for this, I'm just going to go ahead and click onto futures, and then I'm going to do CL. Now on the right in data series, we need to make sure type is, you need to set that to volumetric. And also you can customize the volumetric settings. This is optional. So with volumetric select, you can tweak the bin size, volume display options, and color settings to your preference. Adjust how many price level bins per bar and how volume is aggregated. Then go ahead and click on OK. Now if AutoFlow is active, the chart will render as a footprint / volumetric display showing buy sell volume by price for each bar, and you can inspect and adjust, so you can pan, zoom, and test different symbols, time frames. You can use the chart to right click properties to fine tune appearance, and also add and data aggregation.